words are powerful tools that shape our reality. Many people use 3 particular words in their daily lives without realizing their negative impact. These seemingly harmless words can actually hinder positive manifestations from becoming a reality. By becoming aware of these words and removing them from your vocabulary, you can experience significant positive changes. The law of attraction will start working in your favor, and you'll begin to see remarkable results. Let's examine each of these words individually to understand their effects on our lives. I hope that I get rich. I hope that I can get wealthy. I hope that I could have a good life. I hope that I could find my perfect soulmate. I hope that I could live a healthy life. I hope, I hope, I hope. The continuous use of these words in your daily life creates a vortex of negative energy around you. To effectively use the law of attraction and manifest your desires, you must understand that it operates based on your energy. The energy you radiate into the universe is what will return to you. If you emanate feelings of deprivation and unworthiness, you will attract those very things. The more you feel deprived, the more deprivation you will create in your life. Whatever exists within you is reflected in the external world. Instead, be mindful of your words when discussing your desires. Pay attention to yourself whenever you use these phrases in conversation. Stop immediately and replace them. What can you say instead of I hope? Since I hope stems from desperation and vulnerability, you need to use words that convey certainty and abundance. Whenever you catch yourself saying I hope, change it to I know. Instead of saying, I hope that I get the money, say, I know that I am worthy of this money. I know that I have the ability to be successful. I know that I'm going to get this promotion. I know, I know, I know. Eliminate I hope from your life and replace it permanently. You will see positive reflections in your life as soon as you make these changes. I know that I have an abundance of money. I know that good things are coming my way. Notice the change in energy when you say, I know. These words bring excitement and positivity, and the universe will respond with the same energy in return. The second word we're going to discuss is I need. I need to have more money in life. I need to have a partner. I need to have a successful business relationship. I need a car. I need a house, etc. Every time you say I need something, what energy does that convey? It suggests that you are a needy person, living a life of deprivation. You are chasing after things you lack, which leaves you feeling embattled from within. This mindset reflects what you believe you deserve in life. Have you noticed how many people live this way without realizing it? You might hear someone in your family or among friends say, I need such and such to happen to me. That would be great if it happens. I need my colleagues to be less brutal. I need people to appreciate my work. I need my neighbor to be less nosy and mind their own business. We live in a world abundant with everything we could ever imagine: money, love, prosperity, happiness, and all else dear to humanity. By allowing yourself to feel worthiness and abundance within, you can access these blessings. The universe wants to bestow its gifts upon you, but you must stop seeking happiness outside yourself. Desperation will only push happiness away. The more desperate you are, the more the universe will keep you deprived. The energy you put into your words shapes your reality. Have you noticed how people are often attracted to those who don't seem desperate? We are naturally drawn to individuals who aren't clingy. This principle applies to our inner selves as well. You need to feel abundant in all areas of life, coming from a place of self-contentment. You don't need money or someone else to make you feel prosperous. My life is filled with abundance. My life is filled with prosperity. I amplify this emotion every day. Tell yourself this. Repeat it often and give yourself reasons for believing it. I know that I am worthy and abundant because I am passionate about my work. The universe blesses me every day. I have food on my table. I have a life full of opportunities to explore the world. My passion naturally attracts money. I am passionate about life. There is a distinct difference between the energy of saying I need and saying I'm abundant. Focus on the things you already have in life and radiate positivity based on those blessings. You are a personification of vibrational energy, so channel that energy in its purest form. Everything you desire already exists somewhere in the universe. When you align yourself with everything around you, the universe will start to bless you in miraculous ways. New opportunities will appear effortlessly without you having to push yourself toward them. The third and most negative phrase you can say to yourself is, I can't do this, I can't do that, I can't achieve this in life, I can't be successful. These negative emotions stem from past experiences that continue to hold you back. Your subconscious mind, influenced by these experiences, believes you are unable to achieve certain things, and you start to accept this as truth. But imagine if Shakespeare had thought, no one will ever read my plays, writing is a waste of time. History would have missed a noble mind in literature. His works continue to inspire us today because he believed he could succeed. You won't realize the power within you until you allow it to flow freely. That power will remain dormant as long as you keep saying, I can't do this. Take another example of Socrates, the ancient Greek philosopher. Despite living in poverty and facing significant opposition for his unconventional ideas, he remained steadfast in his pursuit of wisdom. When he was put on trial for corrupting the youth and impiety, Socrates could have easily doubted himself and conformed to societal pressures. Instead, he maintained his belief in his philosophy and continued to question and challenge the status quo. If Socrates had believed he couldn't make a difference, his teachings might have been lost. Instead, his unwavering belief in his mission led to profound contributions to Western thought. His example shows that even in the face of adversity, maintaining belief in oneself and one's mission can lead to significant and lasting achievements. Even Steve Jobs said that the world is built by people no smarter than you. By you, he means simple, ordinary individuals like us. It's those who believe in themselves who have the ability to change the world. Whatever you believe about yourself internally will always reflect in the external world. Remember, everything you can imagine is something you can achieve. Never tell yourself, I cannot do this. Remove that phrase from your vocabulary and start saying, I can. The world is filled with infinite possibilities. Your words shape your reality and have a powerful impact on the world. Make the decision today to change your life for the better, because you have the power to shape your reality. Everything you desire is within you. Decide now to transform your life. In the next 6 months, you can achieve the financial success you've always wanted, land your dream job, and live your dream life. Stop asking why and start asking why not. Why can't you have it? You can, with positivity and happiness. You have the ability to become the best version of yourself today. You deserve happiness, prosperity, and abundance. You will meet new people who will fill your life with excitement and positivity. A positive attitude will attract even more positivity into your life. Begin to invest in yourself and stop telling yourself that you cannot do it. You can achieve everything you set your mind to. Believe in your own power, and amazing things will start happening to you.